All right, we're still doing ACT test prep. We're using this book. And let's try to solve number 16. I thought number 16 was interesting. Let's see. There you go. So it says the longest side of a triangle is 10. Which of the following could not be the lengths of the other two sides? So think about a triangle. It doesn't say any specific triangle. So so we consider this as the longest side. That one is 10. So it asks us which one cannot be the side of the other two, the dimension or the length of the other two sides. So we have a side here, A and B. So let me put in the inch of choices. That would make it easier. So choice F is 4 and 7. G is 5 and 5. And then H is 3 and 9. J is 9 and 8. K is 7 and 6. Okay, so now a triangle has, of course, a triangle has 3 sides. But the way to think about this problem is, think about adding these two numbers. It needs to be, when you have the length of this one plus the length of this one, it needs to be greater than the length of this one. And it can't be equal to it. Think about if you have the side of A as, let's say, 2, the side of B is 8, you can't possibly make a 10 out of this here. If this is 2, this is 8, this cannot be 10. Because if you have a 2 here, in order to have the longest side be 10, if you have one side be 2, one side be 8, that's the only way that you can have 10. You can have the total length be 10. So when you add A plus B, it needs to be greater than L. So let's see which one of those satisfy this. 4 plus 7 is 11, 12, 17, 13. The only one that doesn't satisfy this is this here. That's because 5 plus 5 is 10. You can't possibly make a triangle out of of length. The biggest side, which the biggest side is 10. You can't possibly make a triangle out of 5 and 5. So if you have a 5 here and a 5 here, this cannot be 10. It could be 9, it could be 8, but it cannot be 10. So the choice that we want to solve for is this. All right. If you love this video, please share it on your page, and you'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT and SAT. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.